Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete application on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. While we're downloading and install apps all the time, it's a good practice to regularly review your app collection and delete apps you no longer need. Uninstalling or delete apps on Mac is trickier than it might seem. If you Mac install application by putting them into the trash, their chase and residual file will remain on your Mac. So what if you want to delete your application on your Mac? It's so simple. So first, you can just open your application folder first on your MacBook. Now you can choose on the app that you want to delete. For the example, maybe I will choose this duplicate WhatsApp. You can choose on the app and tap on here on the three dots over here. And you'll find there is an option move to trash. You can just click on that. So now as you can see, the application is deleted from your application folder. I will try to delete this one too. Click on move to trash. And now all the application that you just delete will be removed to trash. If you want to delete it permanently, you can just empty your trash on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete application on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.